a new era of productivity.
Typewriters revolutionized office work in the late 19th century. Before their arrival, business correspondence was handwritten, a slow, labor-intensive process. The typewriter's invention made written communication vastly faster and more legible. As a result, businesses became more efficient, with documents and contracts produced in record time. The age of modern office work truly began with these ingenious machines.
The invention and early models.
The first commercially successful typewriter, the Scholes and Glidden, was introduced in 1873. Its QWERTY layout set the standard for keyboards that we still use today. Early typewriters were complex and heavy, but demand for speed and uniformity in business communication quickly drove their adoption across industries.
Transforming workplaces.
Typewriters drastically changed office roles. They created new job opportunities, especially for women as typists and secretaries, opening doors to the workforce. Routine tasks like letters, invoices, and reports became streamlined. Offices could handle far greater volumes of work, helping companies expand and compete in rapidly growing economies.
Typewriters and writing speed.
Compared to handwriting, typing offered a dramatic boost in writing speed. Experienced typists could reach up to 80 words per minute, far outpacing handwritten text. This improvement transformed not only business productivity, but also journalism, literature, and government operations, as ideas could now be recorded with unmatched efficiency.
Legacy and influence.
Although computers eventually replaced typewriters, their influence endures. The standardized keyboard layout and the concept of rapid mechanical writing live on in today's technology. The typewriter remains a symbol of innovation, a machine that profoundly accelerated the pace of work and set the stage for the digital age.